045 records.
Yes, Phily D of Nobelistas, you up here. What's good? Everything's good. I'm doing good now. But you know, when things get too good, sometimes bad things might happen. Yeah, I lost my dad, but no, I don't feel sad. Cause me, I live every day of my life like it's my last. Yeah, me, I got my girl, she's got my back. She knows I got her back too, cause that's a fact. Every day I keep trying to keep myself rising, cause even at the top you'll hit the bottom. It's surprising, no matter what be happening, just keep smiling. Cause life's too short to be sad, just stick to doing right things. Cause if you try to mad things, karma's a bitch, it is. I know it cause I've been there. Don't even try to picture it. Whatever you do to someone else, it might come back. I lost a lot of friends, can you feel that? If you can, you're like me, but just a little bit. I lost so many other things, it's hard to reminisce. I just wish that I could bring it all back, but the present is the present and the past is the past. When life's bringing you down, just grab my hand and hold on. Cause I know life can be a struggle, hold on. And it's a different day tomorrow if you keep holding on. The better days are gonna follow. See, just like you, I've been in that place too. But look at me, I made it out, no one provided the route. Just keep a strong mind all the way, forget the regrets. Take a deep breath in, now take the first step. If you can't run fast, you can always run slow. But you gotta keep on running until you reach the goal. There will always be that voice telling you to give up, but you ain't, I ain't trying, tell it shut the fuck up. See, I had my music and it distracted me from shadows. I was drowning in the deep and now I'm sitting in the shallow, feeling like a king after being so strong. Cause being strong is what you have to be when things go wrong. And those things go wrong cause really life ain't perfect. But after all the pain will be worth it. Cause what doesn't kill you only makes you stronger. Just keep your head up when you're feeling like you're under. When life's bringing you down, just grab my hand and hold on. Cause I know life can be a struggle, hold on. And it's a different day tomorrow if you keep holding on. The better days are gonna follow. Hold on, Yeah, you know,
hold on, hold on.
when you're going through a rough time,
to the
gotta keep a strong mind.
better days,
Holding on. Cause them better days are gonna come.
Hold on.
And let me show you a little story, yeah? Listen.
Better days.
It's like I was falling to the bottom until I saw a rope. Then I reached out to grab it and I kept holding on. I had determination and I never lost hope. Even though I felt alone, I did it on my own. I've never been to college cause I never had the money, but now I'm working hard and now I'm earning money. I'm saving for my future, it's brighter every day. Before I never did, but only now I love to pray. So this is my way for me to share my blessings. Now if you're feeling down, I hope you get this message. You gotta stay strong with whatever life is facing you. Remember it's a test just to make you a better you. Just be happy, don't be mad, it ain't worth it. Don't be sad, let me help you up the surface. If I could, I'd tell you people what to do, but then again I'm just another person to you. When life's bringing you down, just grab my hand and hold on. Cause I know life can be a struggle, hold on. And it's a different day tomorrow if you keep holding on. The better days are gonna follow. Hold on, hold on, hold on. To the better days, better days, better days. Yeah, and the purpose of this song
is
for those people going through a rough time. Just wanna let you know that you're not the only one. There's a lot of people going through what you're going through. You just gotta keep strong, you gotta be happy, don't be sad. And I promise it will be fine. Maybe tomorrow, maybe the day after that, maybe next week, I don't know when, but it will be good. Just keep holding on to that.
045 records.